Today we are going to be learning on how to make a chain. So what you're going to need is your yarn and a corresponding hook to go with it. Today I'm going to be using a 5.5 millimeter. So what you have to do at first is start with a slip knot. Simply take your cut end of yarn, place it in your hand, your working yarn, go around your two fingers, cross over, take your forefinger, your pointer finger, place it on the back, place your thumb on top. Drop it, take your thumb, push up through the hole, stick your finger under the yarn, grab it with your ring finger, right here, and pull. From here you can adjust your loop size by simply going out or pulling on the working yarn. Insert your hook and tighten. From here, what we are going to do, now that you have your slip knot on your hook, tighten, you are going to yarn over. I like to pinch this bottom one and you pull through. So once again, we are going to yarn over, kind of grab your tail and pull through. All right. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Over and pull through. And you just do this for however long the pattern states to do it for. And that is how you make a chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, over the hook. See, you just simply place the yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop on your hook. Over, through, over, and through.